Your competitor just replaced themselves with an AI avatar. Perfect lighting, flawless delivery, zero mistakes. And they're wondering why their close rate just dropped by 40%. Now here's what nobody in the AI hype machine is telling you. For sales and marketing videos, the videos that really actually generate clients, AI avatars are destroying trust much faster than you can build it. While everyone is rushing towards perfection, the businesses actually closing high-ticket deals are doing the opposite. They are showing up as imperfect, unpolished, human, I would say. This is episode 2 of our Authority Builder series. So let's talk about why your real face is your biggest competitive advantage and when AI avatars actually do make sense. Come with me. Okay, let me be crystal clear. I am not anti-AI. I work with AI every single day. I even have an AI assistant named Lionel who helps me create content, brainstorm ideas, optimize strategies. AI is an incredible tool. But here's where people are getting it catastrophically wrong. They're using AI avatars for the one thing that requires the most human connection, which is building trust with potential clients. Now think about the last time you hired someone for a high-ticket service. Financial advisor, a consultant, a coach. Did you choose them because of their perfect video production? Or because something in the way that they spoke made you think, I can trust this person? Trust isn't built through perfection. Trust is built through connection. And connection requires something that AI avatars fundamentally cannot deliver, which is authenticity. There's a term in robotics called the uncanny valley. It's that unsettling feeling that you get when something looks almost human, but not quite. Your brain knows something is off, even if you can't pinpoint exactly what. So AI avatars, they live in this uncanny valley. And here's the problem for business owners, that subconscious discomfort translates directly into distrust. Your prospect watches your avatar video and somewhere deep in their brain, alarms are going off. Something's not right there. They don't consciously think, that's an AI avatar. They just feel hesitant. And in high-ticket sales, hesitation kills deals. High-ticket clients don't buy expertise. They can find expert anywhere. They buy trust. They buy the feeling that you understand their specific situation. They buy confidence that you'll be there when things get complicated. And that trust comes from seeing the real you, your authentic expressions when you talk about solving problems, the passion that shows up when you describe your work, even your nervousness. Yeah, your nervousness, because it signals that you care about getting this right. Your imperfections aren't weaknesses. They are authenticity markers. They are proof that you're human. And in a world increasingly flooded with AI-generated content, being undeniably human is your competitive advantage. Now, I am not saying that AI avatars are useless. No, I'm not. They're fantastic for certain applications, internal training videos where trust is already established, onboarding content for existing clients, repetitive explainer content that doesn't require personal connection. But for sales, for marketing, for the videos that need to convert strangers into clients, your real face wins every single time. Here's what excites me about this moment. While your competitors chase the AI avatar trend, while they are hiding behind digital versions of themselves, you have an opportunity to stand out simply by being real. 100 Video Lion episodes, 340 plus shorts, all with my real face. The result? Prospect tell me, I feel like I already know you before we even speak. That's not from perfect videos. That's from the authentic ones. So in the next episode of this Authority Builder series, video line 103, I'm going to show you the exact timeline of what happens when you commit to showing up on video. Month 1, month 2, month 3. The trust timeline that transforms your business. That's it for today. Now, before you go, please don't forget to give us a like or leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be on top of everything related to video for business. See you in the next video line.